Welcome to this Merry Body Yoga class. Yummy hips. Oh my gosh, let's get started because I'm so excited. Find a comfy seat, closing down the eyes, take a deep breath in and open your mouth. Exhale, just let that breath go. And with your next inhale, the hands will go down around the body all the way up. The palms will press. And as you exhale, the thumbs will pass through the third eye, the lips, and they land in the heart space. And now we're ready to get merry. So let's get started into our lizard lunge position. So let's take ourselves into an all fours position, wrists are under the shoulders, knees are under the hips, and then as we inhale, we step the right foot outside the right hand and we land softly. We want to pick up that left knee by tucking the left toes and just slide it on back slightly, just so we can sink nice and deep into those hips. Keeping that tricep and right knee connected, take a deep breath in, feel the spine lengthen, and exhale, let's just hold here. I like to sway the hips from side to side. This feels nice, especially if you are just getting warm and this is the first stretch of the day. We don't want to go too fast, too soon, or too deep, too soon, I should say. We just want to take it nice and easy, stretching out the hips. And how blissful we get to enjoy the sounds of the rain as well as we stretch out the hips. Take one more deep breath in, feeling into that left hip flexor, and a long breath out. As you inhale, let's take the right hand over the right foot and just zigzag the right foot all the way across and lay the right shin down, coming into our pigeon pose. So the left leg is long behind us. We want to square the hips off, right hip back, left hip forward. Take a deep breath in, feel the spine lengthen, fingertips are on the ground. And as you exhale, ripple down, the elbows go wide, the head is heavy for one. Inhale, let's roll it up, slowly does it all the way up. And exhale, ripple down for two. Let's do one more. Inhale, rolling up. And exhale, melting all the way down for three. Inhale, rolling all the way up. And as you exhale, fall onto the right booty cheek. And we're going to sweep that left leg all the way around, coming to cow face pose. Now you stay where you are. We're going to face the front. We want to stack the left knee on top of the right. Take the feet wide. And as you exhale, just sit your booty back down. Now the option here is the right leg is long in front of you or easy cross-legged, whatever option you like. Inhale. Take those arms nice and wide, and as you exhale, wrap the left elbow under the right, finding Garuda arms. Inhale, lift the elbows higher, and as you exhale, bow the elbows down close to the thighs for one. Inhale, take them high, and exhale, bring the elbows down for two. Let's just do one more. Inhale, take them up. And exhale, bring them down. Inhale, let's lift those elbows high, unravel, unwind. And as you exhale, the fingertips come down to the sides, and we're just going to bring the chest forward, down to the thighs if that feels good. Otherwise, you just stay up nice and high. Take a deep breath in, hold it here. You should be feeling this in the sides of your hips. And exhale through the nose. One more deep breath in, and a long breath out. Let's inhale carefully, mindfully, slowly roll it up. And as you exhale, we're going to unwind the legs slightly, stacking the left shin on top of the right, making an equilateral triangle in the center of your thighs. Inhale, find your double pigeon, and exhale, melt forward once more. Now your option here is to just let that left shin come down in front of you. But I want you to make sure those knees are nice and close. They're not out wide, they're nice and close. And breathe it in here. Feeling into the hips, getting all the yummy stretches going. Take another deep breath in and a long breath out. Inhale, let's roll it up slowly, slowly. And exhale here. Inhale, reach the left arm high. And as you exhale, lateral bend over to your right. You bend into the right elbow, reaching the left arm overhead. Taking another deep breath in and another long breath out. Inhale, come all the way up, and as you exhale, unravel, unwind, cross the ankles, moving forward to your all fours. Take a deep breath here, and exhale, stepping the left foot outside the left hand. Pick up the right knee, slide it back, and sink deep into your lizard lunge. Start to sway the hips side to side. Don't be alarmed if one side is tighter than the other. This is completely normal. And just breathe into it. And we're just kind of flossing the hips out here, getting them nice and warm and ready to be stretched. It's really important that we don't just go into a stretch before the body feels warm enough and ready. Taking a deep breath in and a long breath out. And this little pulse releases tension in the hips. Let's inhale, take the left hand around over that left foot. And as you exhale, zigzag it all the way across so we can lay the shin down. Take the right leg long behind you. Square off those hips, left hip back, right hip forward. Inhale, feel the spine lengthen. And exhale, melt down, elbows wide for one. Head is heavy. Inhale, roll it up, bone by bone. And exhale, you're going to roll it down. Slowly does it for 2. Let's do one more. Inhale up. And exhale, you roll it down for 3. Inhale, let's roll it all the way up. And exhale, fall onto your left booty. Sweep the right leg all the way around so we can stack that right knee now. We'll turn to face you over the left. The feet go wide, making space. And sit your booty down. Remember your options. Take it if you need it. That left leg can be long. Get nice and comfy if that's possible. Inhale, arms go wide. And as you exhale, right elbow under the left. Garuda the arms. Inhale, lift the elbows high. And as you exhale, bring the elbows down toward the thighs for 1. Inhale, take them up. My hips are so tight today. Exhale, bring them down for 2. One more. Inhale, or is that every day? And exhale, bring it down for 3. Inhale, let's lift it high, unravel, unwind. And as you exhale, fingertips come down and you melt the torso down at the same time toward the thighs, hinging from the hips as you forward fold. Feel the stretch in the hips. We'll call it yummy. Some might think otherwise. One more deep breath in and a long breath out. Inhale, let's roll it up slowly, slowly. And as you exhale, slightly unwind the legs and just stack the right shin on top of the left. We want to make sure they're directly above one another, nice and parallel to the front of your space, flexing both of those feet. Inhale, feel the spine lengthen. And exhale, once again, chest comes forward, coming down toward the shins. Remember your option, that right foot is simply in front, finding easy cross-legged. Breathing nice and deeply. How are your hips, Emmy?
Good. Can definitely feel it.
Yummy. Take another inhale and another exhale. Inhale, let's roll it all the way up and exhale. Here, inhale, the right arm will go high and exhale, lateral bend over to your left. You can bend deep into the left elbow, reach the right arm over the head, keep that right booty pressing down. Take another inhale here. And exhale through the nose. And as you inhale, lift up all the way high. And exhale, bring the soles of the feet to meet. Last posture for the day. As we inhale, use your hands to peel the feet open like the pages of a book. Lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, melt the chest forward toward the soles of the feet. Use your elbows to press your knees down, pressing into the calves of the legs. Keep the spine long. Keep breathing deeply into the hips, feeling all of the tension and then just letting it all go. Maybe you begin to close the eyes, begin to really deepen your breath. Take just a few more moments for you today, a few moments of me time, calming down the mind, calming down the body, stretching everything out. Taking another inhale and one last long exhale. And as you inhale, we'll roll up slowly, slowly, bone by bone. And as you exhale, we'll simply cross the legs, finding a comfy seat. And closing down this class, the eyes will close. Take a deep breath in and open the mouth. Exhale, just let that breath go. And with your next deep breath, the hands will go down around the body all the way up. The palms will press. And as you exhale, the thumbs will pass through the third eye, the lips, and they land in the heart space. Always remember that you are amazing, just as you are, right here and right now. And we gently bow the head forward to the teacher in all things, but especially ourselves. Together we say, Namaste. Well, thank you so much for joining us for that beautiful hip stretch. I hope you're feeling very yummy. And we'll see you super soon on the mat.
Bye.
If you loved that class, come and join us for a free 7-day trial inside Merrybody Online Studio. Head over to themerrymakersisters.com/Merrybody.
And we'll see you on the mat.